Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Banerjee and today in this video we shall talk about the internal carotid artery. We were already discussing about the blood supply of brain and we also discussed about the vertebral artery. This is the time for internal carotid artery, that is also one of the main supplies of our brain. Now without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video.
So now discussing about the internal carotid artery, at first you will have to remember that in carotid triangle, the common carotid artery arrives and at the level of C3 and C4, it divides into the internal carotid artery and external carotid artery. As we have already discussed in our video of carotid triangle, now it has 4 parts. You will have to remember the 4 parts are cervical part, petrous part, cavernous part and the cerebral part. You will also have to remember that which part gives how many branches. So in cervical part, it gives no branches. So remember properly that in neck, the internal carotid artery gives no branches. In petrous part, it gives 2 branches, cavernous part 3, cerebral part contains 5 branches, and here it also includes 2 of its terminal branches. Okay, the middle cerebral artery and the intercerebral artery, those are the terminal branches. We'll also discuss that. So now discussing about the parts in details, at first we have the cervical part. As I have already said, it is passing through the neck and gives no branches. You'll also have to remember that it passes through the carotid canal. Now in the petrous part, it is passing through the petrous part of temporal bone, as we can already understand from its name. It gives 2 branches. First one is the corticotympanic artery and the second one is the artery of pterygoid canal. It passes through the foramen lacerum, the superior part. This is very important, so you'll have to remember this. Now the third part is cavernous part. It is passing through the cavernous sinus. It gives 3 branches: superior hypophyseal artery, the trigeminal ganglion branch and the meningeal branch. So now the last part is cerebral part and it contains 5 branches: the ophthalmic artery, anterior choroidal artery, posterior communicating artery, anterior cerebral artery and the middle cerebral artery. These two, the anterior cerebral and the middle cerebral, these two are the terminal branches of internal carotid artery. So these were everything about the parts and branches of the internal carotid artery.
So guys, hope you all understood the topic properly, and if you understood it well, you can subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. You can like, share, and that motivates me a lot to make such contents. So thanks for watching, have a nice day and bye.